Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Installer's Assistant. Today I have a 2019 Nissan Navara D23. We're going to take the front door off. Customer said he's had speakers installed by a mobile installer and they're just not sounding quite right. So we're going to do a two for today. I'm going to pull the door card off, show you how it's done and see exactly what's happened with why his speakers aren't sounding great. The first thing I've noticed before even starting is there's a crack through here. Okay, so when you're working on someone else's car, always have a good look around, see if there's any damage, any marks, anything broken, so that you know that you didn't cause the work. Best thing to do, grab your phone, take a photo of it before you start. Customer's already aware of this, so I don't have to worry about it. Okay, I have a pick tool. I'm going to go inside the door handle and pry this up. Now if you can see, this has already been attacked before because that's normally nice and at the moment it's not. But there is a little notch out on the side there. So hook it under, pop it up, and behind there is a Phillips screw. And normally you guys would notice that I use a standard screwdriver. Well, that's not going to do anything. That is not even attached to the car. This is not good news. Oh well. Okay, we're going to take this off. This outside piece pops off, the rest stays behind. So I should be able to get just underneath here and pry that out. I can't really tell you what I'm doing right now until I get it off, and then when I show you it will make sense. So I'll just pop this off. Alright, so the clips around here, they latch over onto parts inside the door. So all I'm doing with my tool is getting underneath it and giving a bit of a lift up into all these corners. Okay, let's pop this off. Those of you who have been watching my videos will know that this is my all-time favourite tool. Another giveaway. This is double-sided tape. Obviously this is not holding like it should do. It's a push clip and I've used that to give it a bit more strength. So from memory that should be everything. I should now be able to pull the door card towards me. I'll start with just using, oh wow, that is not even clicked in. This is going to be amusing, guys. Really amusing. I'm kind of curious, but I'm kind of worried at the same time. Okay. Let's get this. Door off. Okay. Pop out the window switch. I'll release the clip there for that one. I'll actually see what's going on down here. Ah yes, there's one. Why are you fighting me? Wow, this whole car is giving me some grief today. Alright. Okay, all the clips seem to be okay. So, what have we got here? It is definitely a changed speaker, and oh, well, here we go. This would be why it's not sounding so great. That is shocking. This is not great, guys. If you're going to do it, by all means have a crack at it. I mean, I learnt by just having a play myself. But if you're going to do it professionally, you want to do it properly. From what I understand, this customer paid quite a bit of money for this installation job. And since finding out that it doesn't sound right, he's been in touch, or tried to be in touch, with the installer, and the installer is not responding to any forms of communication. That is horrible. So we're going to have to fix that up. There are mounts you can get for these things to change speakers over. Because this one's already butchered, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to take off this edge here, so I've got a flat surface to play with, clean up all this, and then that will drop back on and be a lot smoother. I might have a go. Actually, no, I'm not going to, because these screws are on the outside of here. So they're coming off, and we're going to replace them with some proper ones. And I'll show you what that looks like when we're all done. And here is the finished result. We've changed the speaker spacer to one that's a little bit slimmer. I've got foam between the spacer and the door. I've got foam between the spacer and the speaker, and we now have 4 solid mounting points for this to stay put. That is not going anywhere. A much better result. Hopefully we'll get a lot better bass response out of these speakers, and we'll have another happy customer.